Hey everyone, it is Chellina Achol and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we will be making a vision board. A vision board is a visual representation of goals you want to achieve, things you want to do, who you want to be. So if you'd like to stay tuned and check out what I'm going to be doing for my vision board, keep on watching. In the past, I have made vision boards with quotes and inspiring pictures with like string and some clips I got from Target. It was pretty simple. I just printed off some pictures, academic goals, house goals, body goals, etc. But for this year's video, I will be making it on this holographic paper I got at Michael's. It spoke to me, seemed really futuristic. 2020, we coming in strong. I had like clips and string for my old one, but for this one, I'm just gonna use some magazines. So, certain things I'm gonna look forward to cutting out in these magazines are how I see myself, who I wanna be. So just like look through any magazine and see what things speak to you. I've never been to New York City and I always said I wanted to live there. So I'm gonna rip out this picture of the Statue of Liberty. Put that on there. Travel goals 2020. Okay, so after tearing a bunch of inspo out, I'm going to try and lay them out here in a way that is aesthetically pleasing. We've got like a couple of goals, Chrissy Teigen and John Legend. Maybe if I learn to cook like her, I'll catch a John Legend. I like Barack and Michelle. I also got like Albert Einstein. He's brilliant. He's one of my biggest role models. This little coffee maker. Just picture myself getting a nice little coffee maker in my house that I plan to buy in 2020. Hold me to it, guys. Gandhi, another great leader. Always practiced and preached peace. Abe Lincoln. Someone once told me that he gave me like a list of all Abe Lincoln's failures and how he just always kept going. So no matter how many times you fail, don't get discouraged. Put that on here too. Cute black couple. Another cute black couple. It's got a lot of those. I don't know how many of these I'm going to use. This Cartier watch. Going to be a businesswoman, business girls. You're going to need a nice watch. Get that inspo. Closet. This might not be the closet I actually have for my first home, but organization. Beautiful fridge. This gave me like travel vibes, just this black girl riding on a moped. Eating good, keep eating good. Staying athletic. My basketball number was 45. Ask about me. So we are all done. The last finishing touches, you saw me, I just put 2020 right there in the middle. But that is what my vision board looks like. The Obamas. Jasmine, man, she's actually a great, incredible poet. I love her. Black love, interracial love, natural love, all of it. So thank you for watching. And if you're new here, you made it all the way through, please comment, like, subscribe. Be blessed, and hopefully you guys have a fruitful and blessed 2020 as well. See you in the new year. I will be making a vision board. Made vision boards. No, that's not what we're doing. We were things who you want to be. Oh my god. Okay, that's it. For a vision board, you'll also need some tools. Tools? What kind of tools you say?